Let us understand today what is scenario manager in Excel. Scenario manager is basically like if I have four different cases and I know what is the input for all the cases, but what is the output that I am not sure, and I wanted to calculate what will happen if this will be the input, what will happen if this will be the input. So these cases can be resolved with the help of scenario manager. So like suppose I have a cost price of an item and a selling price of that item also. So right now this is my profit and loss. So profit and loss is selling price minus cost price. So right now I am having a loss of 7 rupees. Right. So I wanted to know that if I have four different cases, if I'll be having the cost price as 70 and selling price as 80, or cost price as 90 and selling price as 72, then what will be the resultant? What will be the result in all the cases? So this can be calculated automatically with the help of scenario manager. So for that you will go to the data tab, and what if analysis, there is an option of scenario manager. Click on this. Now click on the add button. Give the name to each scenario. Like I'm considering the first case, so case 1. Okay, so first you need to select key what are the changing values. So changing by changing cell this. Okay, so I need to select the data first, which I have not selected. So you can select the values which will vary according to the situation, according to the cases. So I need to select these two values because these are the variables here. So now go to what if analysis scenario manager, click on add. So case 1. Okay. Now cost price, enter the cost price. Cost price is 70 in first case, as selling price is 80. Okay, add the next case. This is case 2. Now in this case we have cost price as 90 and selling price as 72. Okay, next case. In case 3, we have cost price as 85 and selling price as 80. Now add one more, case 4. In case 4 I have cost price as 65 and selling price as 80. Okay, now I wanted to check that if this will be the my if this will be my cost price and this will be the selling price, then how much profit or loss I'll be have. So I wanted to know the summary of all the cases, so you will click on this button, summary. Now you wanted to create a scenario summary. Resultant cells, resultant cell means which is the output. So here I'm saving my output, so this is a resultant cell. Okay, so here it is, this is the scenario summary. Now if the cost price will be 82 and selling price will be 75, then I'll be having a loss of 7 rupees. But if the cost price will be 70 and selling price will be 80, then I'll be having the profit of 10 rupees. So this is a pre-designed table. You don't have to edit it. Automatically Excel will present it in a format which is predefined. So this is how the scenario works. We can consider more cases also. Like I have taken only 4 cases, you can have more cases also. You can show, like if you are having the sales in the month of January, you have a sales of 50 items, and then in the month of February you have a sales of 60 items, and this, and accordingly you are telling the profit also. So what will happen if we will be having the sales of these items in the month of March, April, May, and June? So you can calculate accordingly. So this is what we can do with the help of scenario manager, and how this is how we can create this summary of scenarios, different scenarios. We can also calculate, like if the child is scoring, if a child is scoring, uh, let's say in term 1 and term 2, in class 6th he's scoring this marks, and in class 7th he's scoring this marks, class 8 he's scoring this marks. So whether he is getting, he is going towards his progress, or whether the result is going down, so we can calculate that also. So this is what we can do with the help of scenario manager.